In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a site logo or favicon in Squarespace 7.1. First, log into your Squarespace site and open your website preview. From there, click Edit in the top left corner. Once you are in editing mode, move your cursor over the top navigation area of the site. You will see an option appear called Edit Site Header. Click that to open the header settings. Inside the header settings panel, select Site Title and Logo. This is where you can upload the branding images that appear in your header. Under Logo Image, click the Upload area and add your main desktop logo. This is the version that visitors will usually see when they view your site on a larger screen, such as a laptop or desktop computer. Right below that, you also have the option to upload a mobile logo image. This is helpful if your main logo is wide or detailed and does not display well on smaller phone screens. A simplified or more compact version can make your branding look cleaner and easier to read on mobile devices. If your main logo already works well across all screen sizes, you can leave this part as is. After your logo is uploaded, click outside the Settings menu to return to the page. Then go to the very top left corner of the screen and click Save. This is an important part of the process, because saving ensures your new logo is published live on your site. Next, return to the main Squarespace dashboard. On the left side menu, click Website. After that, look again under the Website section in the sidebar and select Favicon. This takes you to the area where you can upload the small icon associated with your site. Click Add a Favicon or click the plus icon if that is what appears on your screen, and upload your image file. The favicon is the small image that shows up in browser tabs and bookmarks, so it is a good idea to use a simple version of your branding that remains clear even at a very small size. Once the upload is complete, your site branding will be more polished and consistent across both the header and the browser tab. That covers everything you need to know.